HIV, human immunovirus. HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. H stands for infects only human beings. I stands for immunodeficiency virus weakens the immune system and increases the risk of infection. V stands for virus that attacks the body. Now AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, fatal illness caused by a retrovirus HIV. It breaks down the body's immune system, leaving the patient vulnerable to a host of life-threatening opportunistic infections, neurological disorders or unusual malignancies. When immune system becomes weakened by HIV, the illness progresses to AIDS. Some blood tests, symptoms or certain infections indicate progression of HIV to AIDS. So here this is the structure of HIV. Now mode of transmission of HIV/AIDS in India in the year 2006 percentage. So through sexual transmission 85.8, perinatal transmission 3.8%, blood and blood products 2%, injecting drug users 2.2, others non-specified here 6.2%. Age-wise distribution of reported AIDS cases in the year 2006 according to 2006. So here 0 to 14 age 5%, 15 to 29 age here 31%, and 30 to 49 age 57% AIDS cases, more than 50% age 7% AIDS cases reported in the year 2006. Now HIV agent, it is a RNA virus which replicates in actively dividing T4 lymphocytes. Unique ability to destroy T4 helper cells. Reservoir, once a person gets infected, virus remains in his body lifelong and the person is a symptomless carrier for years before the symptoms actually appeared. Now source, the virus is found in a great concentrations in blood, CSF and semen. Lower concentrations have been found in tears, saliva, breast milk, urine, cervical and vaginal secretions, and also isolated from brain tissue, lymph nodes, bone marrow cells and skin. However, only blood and semen are known to transmit the virus. So here HIV enters the bloodstream through open cuts, breaking the skin, mucous membranes, direct injection. Here, routes of transmission of HIV through sexual contact, blood pressure, blood exposure, perinatal. Sexual contact male to female, or vice versa, female to female. Through blood exposure, injecting drug use, or needle sharing, occupational exposure, transfusion of blood products. Perinatal, through transmission from mother to baby, breastfeeding. So, occupational transmission, healthcare worker, hospital staff, laboratory workers. Other routes of transmission of HIV: organ transplantation, artificial insemination, needle prick. So here, incubation period. The incubation period is from HIV infection till development of AIDS. It is from a few months to 10 years or even more. However, it is estimated that 75% of people infected with HIV will develop AIDS at the end of 10 years. So here, look at this slide. HIV infected T cells, HIV virus. Here, this is T cell and this is HIV infected T cells. Now, new HIV virus. So, initial infection, except for a generally mild illness of fever, sore throat, and rash, which about 70% of the people experience a few weeks after the initial infection. Most HIV infected people have no symptoms for the first 5 years. However, they can infect others once infected the people infected for life. Antibody response usually takes 2 to 12 weeks to appear in the bloodstream. So here, this period is called the window period. 2 to 12 weeks to appear in the bloodstream, and this period is called the window period. So the acute HIV syndrome, so here 3 to 6 weeks following primary infections. Central nervous system, lymph nodes, skin, gastric, liver and digestion system, muscles, esophagus, etc. on the body. So AIDS is a stage of disease where your immune T, CD4 and helper cells, that means AIDS is a stage of disease where your immune cells, these cells, T cells, CD4 and helper cells, drop below the level of 200 cells per millimeter blood. A healthy person has about 800, and your body cannot fight off simple infections. Now, AIDS related complex has illness caused by a damage to immune system, but without the opportunistic infection and cancers associated with AIDS. They may be exhibit unexplained diarrhea lasting more than a month, fatigue, malaise, loss of body weight, fever, night sweats. Sign of mild infections like oral thrush, generalized lymphadenopathy, enlarged spleen. So, the common manifestation of AIDS: lung infection, gastrointestinal infections, skin infections, central nervous system infections. So, look at this. Kaposi sarcoma symptoms appear, candidiasis of mouth, swollen parts of the body, deterioration of the body tissues. Here, this is the Carinae pneumonia, primary CNS lymphoma, and lymphadenopathy, extreme weight loss. So, deterioration of the body tissues. So, diagnosis of HIV. HIV antibody test using different antigen and or with different principle of the test. Viral antigen test used for screening blood donors in USA. Detection of viral nucleic acid in blood, determining the CD4 count to assess the disease progression. Testing ICTC Center, Integrated Counseling and Testing Center, district hospitals, medical colleges, free HIV testing, confidential counseling, referral to nearest ART antiretroviral therapy centers. Prevention: avoid multiple partners, use condoms, use sterile needles each time for injection, never share needles, avoid unnecessary blood transfusions. All pregnant women should be tested for HIV. Use standard work precautions, hand hygiene, personal protective gear, proper disposal of biomedical waste, immunization against HPV, and education. So, these are the occupational exposures. A precautionary injury: needle stick, cut with sharp object, contact with mucous membrane, contact with non-intact skin, abraded, chapped, and dermatitis. So, here once again, so what is AIDS? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome is characterized by signs and symptoms of severe immunodeficiency, weight loss of more than 10% of body weight, diarrhea lasting longer than 1 month, fever lasting longer than 1 month, and other signs. So, treatment of HIV and AIDS: no cure. Treatment can help slow progression to AIDS, reduce and minimize malnutrition. The most effective treatment is antiretroviral therapy ART, using antiretroviral drugs ARVs. Now, conclusion: HIV attacks and weakens the immune system, reducing its ability to fight infection. Main transmission routes are sexual, parenteral, and vertical. The four phases of HIV disease are acute, asymptomatic, symptomatic, and full-blown. AIDS. HIV is recognized mainly by testing antibodies formed to fight the virus. ART can prevent OS and slow progression of AIDS. A comprehensive package of HIV and AIDS intervention should be include infection prevention, ART care and support, and mitigation of the impacts of HIV, and food security, health, and education.